up, guys? Both sides coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Are we there with another
brand new banger?
Why you do it, John?
banger? But as usual, guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, so we're there with the first video now. I'm going to kick off the thing right now. So, let me give you a little story. So, yesterday, one illegal party I keep at Olympic Way in St. Andrew. Police run in, he get shut down. 44 non-compliant persons pretty much get arrested and the operation still are going so far. Ah boy, Jamaican people. Keep on I tell you, wanna not learn. You see why the big C now slow down? Anyway, me not itch. Make we get right in the video them, show one the clips them, and make we talk after that, don't it? Yeah.
Hey, you never see them in South Africa.
Wanna see that? Wanna see how much police? They out there? Yes, yo. Be a man just a get creep up in a car and just a fling. Go all over the place like that. Fling in a police vehicle and all them things. Wanna see that? That's crazy. Like nobody still not learning. So I'm gonna tell you all them people are still, bruh. 30 yard. A 30 yard? Let me check it. Double check. 34 non-compliant person get locked up and it's an ongoing thing. So I'm gonna tell you how we unruly and tan. So the country can't free up no better. Man still a keep party. Like when the things say corona. You know, say if we did just listen and just hear and say, we're not probably in a better position and enough things in a free up. Alright, peeps. See our next video now we're gonna watch and think. Rotted. Wanna see what go on the camera? When them catch a road, man, motorcycle, man run down pan a woman attack pan her phone. She did attack pan her phone, Attack the woman did attack pan her phone, And the man just run down pan her. Look like him have a piece pan him and thing, and man take money and phone and all them things there. I'm keep on and tell enough people on the road, please be careful when you use your phone. Don't have the phone in your ears. If the call very important, you put the phone on speaker and go and look over your shoulder. If it's not important, wait till you go somewhere, you walk go the side and you stop, look, take your phone call and thing. You know what I mean? I'm glad to know that she alright and nothing to do her. But ladies, please be vigilant on the road because the woman them are rap enough It's a lot of things that happen to be a woman that area. I don't know how war go on. I don't know how war go on. Enough woman a get killed, them a get raped, the woman them a missing. Yo, relationship gone bad. Yo, all those crazy things are happening. You know what I mean? It's rough. And as you can clearly see in the video too. You see, say man that you run down on the man where I walk to the side right there, so. And the lady like she play it off and I said hello and all them stuff there. You know what I mean? Rougher road. Them bike boy, yeah, man, that's why nobody not trust them. You know what I mean? I'm here, I think say them want ban yang in Jamaica. You know? So we're gonna deliver our pizza.
Are you with me, Lions? The choice is yours.
Oh! What? Alright, peeps. So hope you enjoy them video there. Yeah, it's a short clip still, but still content to keep the pot bubbling and thing and go and do a thing, you know. But don't tell you my thoughts already on the video them. Still, you know what I mean? Jamaican people just need to be more responsible. I know say rough when they itch up in the house and can't go nowhere. Yo, the big C really and truly mash up enough things to help me too. You know what I mean? They have wipe off my face and thing, you know? Big C really mash up a whole heap of things. But we have to do our part so we can get rid of this thing. So things can get back to normal, so we can be vibing, you know? You know what I'm saying? So we be vibing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and having fun. Miss, we walk on the road. I mean, I tell everybody now, please be vigilant on the road. Watching yourself when you talk on the phone. Watching your back. Don't trust a soul. All if your shadow look all the way, you kick up that too. Loan kick your figure your shadow. I'm here to play. Stop playing with me, yeah? But anyway, peeps. Big up on yourself. But there, I'm gonna do a live stream soon. Today, and thing, hopefully. Yeah. And thing, so. Join me on my other channel. Sinus Gaming. And thing. I'm gonna play what? Days Gone. Zombie Apocalypse game. Survival game. It's a dope game. And thing. But me there. Thank you very much for watching. Remember for bang on the like button. Share up the thing. Let people them know say, yo, we care, man, we there. And just go and journey with your boy. Ashoo!
Yeah. Releasing.